This is a tutorial for Boil the Cabbages, and we're going to go ahead and use the accompaniment tracks from the book to practice this one. On bass, we're going to want to go a lot of the time. You can certainly play the song and practice the song. Right? You can certainly practice the melody of the song if you want to. You could go see how high you can play it on the bass. You can practice it really low on the bass. Trick to playing with the bow is going to be making sure you have enough rosin and then moving really slowly. It feels like there's not enough rosin on this right now. I just went and picked it up and started recording for a tutorial. So you want to make sure there's enough rosin and then just super slow as you can. And then you don't have to use a lot of force with it. You just let the weight of the bow just go slowly. Find the balance between the weight of it and the speed to get your tone out of that. You also pizzicato it, right? Your fingers might get tired of doing the pizzicato, and you don't want to develop blisters that pop, so maybe switch which finger you use if you start feeling like you might be developing a blister, and then maybe switch to bow. So here's the chords. These should be written in your book already. D chord, and you can just play 2 Ds. G chord, and you just play 2 Gs. And then D chord, and then A chord. So you can do middle string, high string, middle string, low string, and you can play that twice. Or you can go, you can add that in there, which we've got the guitars playing that as well. So, so again, it's D, G, D, A, and then you do it again, but at the end you put a D, A, D. So it'll go like this.
89, Violin Cabbage Down, Orchestra arrangement.
D, D, G, G, D, D, A, D, D, G, G, D, A, D. And then you do it again. And if you want to add a little bit of stuff in here, right on the beat, on the... So there's some things you could add. Let's do it with a bow. If you're going on, you might do dun 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 dun. Right? You could put that little anywhere in there, and it's just A, B, C sharp. A, first finger on A, fourth finger on A. Cool.